Hi everyone, I hope you are. This is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into Vechain once again. Thank you for support. Big up the CoinsKid crew. So you can see that Vechain yesterday ran into that level of resistance just there, that high, okay? Because if it breaks this high, you're forming a beautiful new impulsive wave and you're going to come to this white line here at 14 cents, okay? So it's all about breaking this high. So what it's done is ran into it as resistance and it's coming back for support, okay? So providing you can hold a key level support, I do think you're looking at a bit of a breakout here for Vechain. So on the hourly time frame just here, there was, I didn't see this yesterday because I didn't zoom in on the hour, but there is a W bottom pattern just there, okay, and essentially a huge inverse head and shoulders pattern as well. So look, you've got a breakout target from there to there, and you see that, look, that broke out and that met that technical target just there, and it went up and met it, and some it went up to this previous high. So this is very, very bullish. This is a bullish continuation pattern, okay? You've got sort of a little left shoulder there, a head, and you come back and you create the right shoulder, and look, essentially ascending triangle, you know, reversal pattern. You can call it a W bottom pattern, whatever you want to call it, but you broke out and you came up and you met the technical target. So for me, a key level support that needs to hold right now, there's two key levels of support that need to hold right now for Vechain, is the neckline of this beautiful W bottom pattern, reversal pattern, basically ascending triangle, and obviously primarily is this particular level of support right here for Vechain. Now what it's doing right now is retracing back to where it came from, okay? So I'll show you this right now. This is perfectly healthy, okay? This is perfectly healthy what it's doing, but you need to hold the support for continuation, because if you start to lose support, this is where you create things called reversal waves, and I'll show you exactly what I mean, okay? So Vechain's come up like this, okay, ran into this resistance at this high, and it's coming back to get support to break the high, because once it breaks that high, you'll be in an impulsive wave target to the 14 cents, breaking out this blue trend line, and at that point Vechain's really, really bullish, okay, because you're broken out of a huge horizontal. So it's coming back to get its mates, basically. So providing you can hold a key level support, you're great for continuation, and you can pretty much see where this neckline is right now is the golden ratio, okay, the golden pocket, and essentially if you do start to come down, this particular level might offer a fantastic entry point for Vechain. If you start to lose that, then I would give high, you know, that increases a high probability that you're coming back to where you formed the impulsive wave and you're coming back down to here to retest it once more. But at that point, you could look at this as some kind of double M top pattern like this. Do you see this double M top? And at that point, if we do start to lose this low down here, this could get quite negative, and you could see another little roll in the market here for Vechain coming back down to this trend line at some point, which would be quite negative. But at that point, it needs to hold that support, and that's where you get a break, okay? So it's looking really good. You are looking really bullish, providing you can hold support, okay? So it's on a knife edge basically. Are we going to hold these support levels that I've shown you? So if you do start to see a roll here for Vechain, put some cheeky bids on the golden ratio at 0.10869040, okay? It comes down like this, gets a bounce, and then breaks out, okay? Because you can see once it bounces off support like it absolutely breaks out. Do you understand that? So yeah, you might get fruitful putting some cheeky bids in down here on this particular level of support, in this previous neckline and the golden ratio. So yeah, that's basically Vechain. You know, technically looking at it right now, you've come down to the 20, you've lost that, and you come down to the 55, and you're holding that as support. So if you do start to see them lost, I would imagine you roll over and you're looking at the golden ratio as a key level support right there, you know, which is normal. It's nominal. It's a nominal retracement. Come back to a key level support, hold it for support, breakout, okay? Because once you break out, obviously you'll be in a new impulsive wave target from there to there, but you're in one from there to there anyway, and at the moment you're just retracing for the continuation right there. So yeah, you did run into that resistance right there. I did expect that, to be honest with you. I did say you potentially run into that, start to come back. Once you hold that support of that retracement, this, my friend, is a massive confluence that once you break this level of resistance just there, it's a huge break. It's an absolute monstrous break for Vechain to actually break that level of resistance just there, okay? So yeah, it's on a knife edge. I hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.